Hello everyone, B Squared here, and today I'm going to be showing you how to change application and folder icons on Mac OS X. The first thing that you're going to want to do is go ahead and check out the Dropbox link in the description below with some of my favorite application icons that I've compiled over probably a couple months here that I've been doing this. You can see that they're here and they're also on the Dropbox. So, the first thing you're going to want to do is select the application that you want to change the icon for. The way that I'm doing this is you're just going to replace the icon, you're going to restart Finder and Dock using Terminal, and then even if it's a permanent icon or something that you're running in your dock, you don't even have to take it out and put it back in. It will automatically change it using this method. So, for example, if I'm in the Applications folder, I can see that QuickTime here, the one QuickTime that I'm running right now, has the QuickTime icon that I don't like it so much. So I'm going to go ahead and go to the Applications folder, find the QuickTime application, go ahead and drag this window over, and once I've found it, just go ahead, right click and get Info or Command I. Now what you want to do is go ahead and find the icon that you want to change it to. Go ahead and go into your icons, whatever, find QuickTime, and drag and drop the ICNS file onto QuickTime. Since this is operating system application built in the OS, you're going to need to go ahead and put in your administrator name and password, and then hit enter, and it should change it. If it doesn't change it, or it shows up like a little PNG generic file type icon, that means that you need to convert into an ICNS file, which I will show you how to do in a minute. You cannot copy and paste, only drag and drop works, so that's also really important to note. ICNS files don't need to have an ICNS extension, so right here Pictures is actually an ICNS file, yet it doesn't have an ICNS extension like the rest of them. Apple recognizes this because ICNS files are actually, it's like a folder or an archive almost of different sizes of a picture. So if I add the ICNS here, I can just go ahead and add it and then open it up in preview. Oops, that's alright. Let's see, like QuickTime here. See how there's multiple versions of this every time it gets smaller. Every time you create an ICNS file using, let's say, this is the one that I use, iConvertIcons.com. Just go ahead into the third one, try it online. It's free online. There's a Mac and Windows version, and it'll convert it into one where you have it goes from big to small in the ICNS format. It's just full of pings. If you have a JPEG that you need to remove the white space from, go ahead and head over to Pixlr.com. Go ahead and do just the regular editor, and let's say I'm going to make just a regular image. Actually, no. So let's say you have one here. It's got a bunch of white space on it, and it's got some things here. Sort of a just really basic thing. Obviously, I have some more colors. It'll be something, an Apple icon or a trash icon, whatever. They'll have a white background. Oh, I don't want that white background, so you're going to go ahead and just use the magic wand tool over here. Press W, right? And oops, cancel. And just hold Shift to add more areas. Boom, 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 and then over here you can double click this lock to unlock the layer, and then hit delete to go ahead. Oops, and there that is to deselect that. So let's deselect all, and then you can save your image as oops. Go ahead and just hit save as ping. Random.ping in my downloads folder, and you can see that here it is. You can go over here, go into downloads, take this, and then it will, after you hit convert, it'll convert it into ICNS, ICO, PNGs, what have you. So you can see that now here I have an ICNS file of this image, and it's in multiple sizes. Alright, so that's cool. You can do that. Just go ahead and leave those two closed. I'm just going to delete these because I don't need them anymore. Now, if you want to change the Finder or Trash icons, it's important that you have them in PNG format, even though the one on my Dropbox here for, I think the Finder icon in the Dropbox here is actually, yes, Finder's ICNS, so you need to convert that to ping if you want to use it. Sorry about that. But my Trash icon, is it over here? Let's see, my Trash icon, anyways, it's around here somewhere, is in PNG. It's one of the two that's in PNG in my collection. That's some random Pac-Man one. I don't really know why. If you want to change the Finder, Trash, what have you, etc. kind of icons, you're going to need to go to Command-Shift-G, or you can also do go to folder, enter this path. I'll put it in the link down below, in the description, that is, and just go ahead and open this up into resources. I can just type Finder. You can just hit F and it'll bring you down to F. The original Finder.png file will look exactly like the Finder.2x PNG file. You can't really tell the difference unless you open them up in Zoomed or something. But what you're going to need to do is use your administrator credentials to delete the original icon and then put your new PNG in its place. Since mine is such a high quality ping, you don't actually, for me, I don't need to do a 2x. You can pretty much ignore that. Then you can go down to just hit T to bring it down to the trash, and you need to again use your administrator username password to delete the original trash empty.ping and replace it with a new one. When replacing the Finder and trash icons, it's imperative that you stick to the exact same file names. They are case sensitive. That's really important. Once you have replaced these icons, you go into the terminal and just go ahead and do killall dock finder, and then it restarts and your icons will be changed. If for those of you who have a poor quality or can't see very well, I will go ahead and put the command in the description down below. That's about all I have for you guys today. If you like this video, please go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you very much, and I'll see you in the next video.